Do you know many people are having trouble with deep cleaning their Frigidaire dehumidifier to eliminate odors? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove and wash filter. Remove the filter every 2 weeks by pulling it down after taking out the bucket. Wash with clean water and let it dry before reinstalling. Step 2. Clean water bucket. Clean the water bucket using hot water and detergent to remove any buildups or odors. Step 3. Dust the housing. Dust the housing with a non-oily cloth or a damp cloth to keep it clean. Step 4. Attach drain hose. For continuous drainage, use a garden hose and a nearby drain. Unscrew the drain plug at the back, attach the hose, and direct it to the drain. Step 5. Set fan and humidity. Select the desired fan speed and humidity setting for continuous drainage to begin. Check the hose for leaks and ensure it's securely attached. Now, you should be able to deep clean your Frigidaire dehumidifier effectively and eliminate any odors. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Frigidaire users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.